All right, so this video is about basically rating customer support for WCR. So I just wanted to find out some information about their water fed pole system. So here you see me asking. Um, I have I'm in California. I have pretty high DTS, TTS, TDS, and I want to see what system would come out, what system I should get. Steve O here suggested the Zero Pro, the Alex Pure Kit, which is the one I was thinking of getting anyway. So I was just curious to ask him more. And like I said, I want to see if they're going to be super pushy or, how they are as, at the end of the day, they're salespeople. So they want you to buy. So yeah, so I just said, cool, that's the one I was looking at. And I think I'm going to start asking questions about the maintenance of it and stuff like that. So I said here, is it hard to replace, or is it like what? How do you do it? And I can't spell for some reason. So I gave up on how to spell cartridges, and I put resins and filters. So again, I just want to see if, like I said, how are they gonna sell me this? I mean, I wasn't gonna buy anyways. I just wanted to. I just thought it would be a cool video. All in all, WCR's customer support, regardless, every time, whenever I've had an issue, I've only had an issue one time, and they fixed it super quick, and they're great. Yeah. So then he sent me the filters. He's gonna end up sending me the filters here, and He's also going to send me the how-to video on how to replace them and stuff. Again, pretty straightforward stuff. There's the filter right there, and then here's the resin, the virgin resin. He mentioned that the 1/4 cubic foot is a good amount to have. Again, here in California, I'm probably gonna burn through it so fast. And then here, like I said, I'm gonna ask if it's hard to replace. And then he's gonna proceed to send me the video that he made for WCR or for his channel. I don't remember. I guess we'll see right now. And again, I actually ended up watching the video afterwards, and it's surprisingly easy. The filter is literally just a filter. You put that in, resin, dump out the old resin, change it out with the new resin. And that's pretty much it. Fill it, put the sponge back in, or the little filter sponge thing, close it up, call it a day. And like I said, I just said thank you for the help. You've been very helpful. And once I'm ready to buy this water fed pole system, I will definitely reach out to him directly to make the sale. I'll probably be financing it because I don't have $3,000 to just drop on this, so I'd rather do payments on it, keep my expenses low. Yeah, so like I said, all in all, really great customer service. Wasn't like, didn't really push a sale at all, which I appreciate. Because at the end of the day, you don't want, you want to make the decision when you're ready. You don't want to be forced into it. But yeah, like I said, WCR, shout out to them. Always great customer service. Reps are always super helpful. So yeah, check them out for your next products, for your next window cleaning products. They also have water fed pole systems. They have so many resources on their website. So yeah, check them out.